Hi guys, how doing? The problem is if you don't have the sound for the Android you change on BMW F10, if you change your original sat nav into Android one, and if you don't have sound, what I figure out, it's on mine, yeah. Normally it comes with them two cables, yes, to connect this auxiliary into this one, yes. The problem is while you're connecting it, I will show you the sound, the original sound from your Android or sat-nav, it won't work like you see. Yes, there is no sound. If I'm unplugging it and if I'm connecting it, the auxiliary cable in here, I pull the wire all around. You just need an auxiliary cable, yes, and you pull the wire all the way into the auxiliary place here. I'm sorry for the view, just hold on a second. So I will unplug it. So basically what you need auxiliary cable. Once you're putting it, so the music will work. Now let's see, on playing we're gonna see, on video we're gonna try on video, yes, if the movie will run properly, yeah. So I will press on movie. Now sorry about the light. So now, and also the movies, they have sound. After I did a big research on it, nobody told me. I was thinking to remove everything, and I said, I saw the auxiliary cable that comes with wireless cable, yeah? I know what happens. And if you disconnect the main one that comes with the harness connection, yes, and you plug a normal auxiliary one for the car, it will work like supposed to be, and it will work your sat nav, it will work your movie sound, it will work the music, everything that we need. So this was the problem that I figured out that it's on my car. Best of luck guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video and you're gonna come with nice and subscribe comments. Thank you.